Hey guys, Chrissy Mariner here. So today I'm going to show you how to waterproof your makeup using the 5-Minute Sweet Minerals Flawless Face or the Flawless Face Deluxe. Now, as you may know, the Sweet Minerals Flawless Face consists of our signature foundation, a full-size blush, bronzer, and mineral veil, as well as the brushes you need to apply, which are the Kabuki brush and the multitasker. However, the Sweet Minerals Flawless Face Deluxe also consists of a travel size moisture prep, which this is very important to use under your foundation and under your concealer. It also includes a full-size concealer brush and full-size concealer. Now let's get going. I've already applied moisture prep to my entire face, so that's already there and it's going to help the minerals stick. Now I'm going to apply the concealer under my eyes. Now if my eye makeup weren't on, I would also apply over my eyes. And it's totally okay if it looks chalky. That's how it applies, and it is amazing. It does wonderful for coverage out in the sun. In the pool, it stays on. It's great. Check out the reviews for the mineral concealer. Most people have said, oh my gosh, I've never used a powder concealer in my life. This concealer is amazing. Now, it's also great for breakouts, and as you can see, I have not only sunspots, but damage around my face from getting older and hormones. You can cover all that up with the concealer. It's great. So see how chalky my face looks? That's completely okay, and that's normal. The foundation will completely blend it away. All right, so that is the concealer. Now I'm going to go and apply my foundation. And you're going to tap a little bit into the lid, and then you're going to press your Kabuki brush into the minerals, and you're going to tap them in to disperse them into the brush. Now what's great about this brush, we had this brush specifically made for our products, is that you can use wet or dry. So we have a liquid foundation. You can also use that. You can use the dry minerals and spray your face with a toner or a setting spray or our refresh. This is amazing. This stuff is awesome. But it's very versatile, and all of our brushes were made just for these products. And you can use wet or dry. They're not goat hair. They're not going to be irritating to your skin. And less is best. So you start off with a little and then you just layer. The thing about our makeup is that most people, they say, oh my gosh, this feels weightless. Like I cannot feel it. And I layered it. Some people say, oh, I like a light coverage. Some people say, oh, I love a heavy coverage, but I'm used to that heavy feel of the makeup. This, you do not feel it at all. So you just spread it evenly around your face. Now, once you apply concealer and foundation, that's going to make your face look flat because it's one-dimensional. Now it's time to add some dimension with our blush and our bronzer. All right, let's go with the bronzer, and we're going to use the multitasker brush, and you're going to dip it into your bronzer and tap it into the brush. Now, there's a couple ways to do this. Some people do the 3 and the E. I like to suck in my cheeks and start from there. And just blend away. Now this is to get rid of that double chin. People like to say this takes 5 pounds off your face, and it truly does. Make the nose a little bit thinner. And as you can see, my face is already transformed. It looks completely different. All the blemishes are covered up. Everything, it's just blending so smoothly. Okay, now it's time for the blush. You can take your exact same brush, the multitasker brush, and use the tip for the blush. Tap it in and then smile. And pull it up on the apples of your cheeks and just blend it up into the bronzer. A lot of people that try our products aren't used to wearing bronzer because they say, oh, I don't like to look orange. That's not the proper purpose of bronzer. Bronzer should really bring in that contour and put the dimension back in your face, because you're not one-dimensional, are you? You are three-dimensional. Okay, so just tap in the blush. Now it's time for the veil, the mineral veil. Now the importance of mineral veil. Mineral veil is translucent, but it is going to get into the large pores, the fine lines and wrinkles, and just disperse the light. This is what you'll use to reapply. If you need to reapply anything during the day, it's going to be your mineral veil. So just tap it anywhere and then blend. And this really just gives you that setting final touch, and it just disperses the light. You see on the camera, it just looks beautiful. And that's it, guys. That is the Sweet Minerals Flawless Face. That process is exactly the same process we use to waterproof our makeup, to go into the pool, to go into the ocean, to work out, whatever you want to do, this will stay on. Thanks, guys, and have a great day. See ya.